Hi, I'm Steven, co-founder and CIO at Quantamize, and you're watching the Quantamize Global Markets AM Preview. Global stocks are declining to start the week, as worries of a U.S. government shutdown are causing jitters among U.S. traders. According to Bloomberg, the next 12-month PE for the S&P 500 dropped nearly 4 points so far this year. The S&P 500 has only contracted a greater amount 6 times since the data has been recorded, with a bear market in 5 of those 6 years. The SPDR S&P 500 ETF, ticker SPY, saw positive fund flows of roughly $1.46 billion last week, an increase of positive 0.6% in total fund assets. Emerging market stocks ETFs experienced a net positive fund flow as well, of $948 million. This is the 9th straight week of positive fund flows for emerging market stocks ETFs. The VIX is little changed this morning at 22.36, with XOP out-of-the-money calls and puts, and EEM and QQQ out-of-the-money puts, some of the most heavily traded options in the U.S. pre-market this morning. Global oil prices are climbing following a report that shows U.S. domestic oil rigs falling to the lowest level in 8 weeks, while traders continue to digest the announcement that OPEC and Russia will cut production targets in calendar year 2019. From our popular stocks trading in the news segment, Goldman Sachs is facing its first charges in Malaysia in the 1MDB scandal. Authorities are alleging that Goldman Sachs misled investors when it sold 1MDB bonds since it knew the proceeds would be misappropriated. Authorities are seeking fines well above the $2.7 billion of misused funds and $600 million in fees generated on the transaction. Google announces a $1 billion expansion in New York City. Google will establish a new New York City campus called Google Hudson Square, which will be in addition to its Google Chelsea campus. Google plans to double the number of employees in New York City post-expansion. And if you found this video helpful or informative, follow us on Twitter or subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to check out Quantamize.com for your full market preview for stocks, options, ETFs, and cryptos, and to find out what trades our AI quant models like this morning.